Were you born in 1984?
Yes, sir.
The last four digits of your social security are 1898.
Yes,
On a pre-trial conference, 25 CR 00104. Okay. You're gonna be. It's not. No. They need to get out of there.
Y'all come out, you can't go in there and go. Y'all ain't going, you gotta come out and see.
This is 25 CR 00104 pre-trial conference. What does the Commonwealth have to say?
Have a plea of guilty, Your Honor.
Felony plea?
Yes, sir.
The motion has been tendered that says you wish to enter a plea today, sir. Is that correct?
Yes,
Are
sir.
you currently under the influence of drugs or alcohol?
No, sir.
Is this plea free and voluntarily given?
Yes.
You're the same person that we just identified in 25 CR 00104.
Yes.
Is your judgment impaired today in any way?
No, sir.
You discussed this matter with your attorney and are you fully advised about your case?
Yes, sir.
Reviewed the evidence Commonwealth has against you.
I'm sorry.
Reviewed the evidence
Yes, sir.
Commonwealth has. You have certain rights under the Kentucky and United States Constitution. You do not have to enter a guilty plea today. I'm going to go over those rights and at the end I'm going to ask if you understand, okay? You have a right not to testify against yourself. No one can make you say anything. Right to speak trial by jury, right to be represented by counsel at your jury trial. Right to confront and cross-examine all witnesses called to testify against you. Right to fix evidence. Right to call witnesses in your favor. Right to appeal this matter to higher court if you lose. And right to file a Commonwealth to prove beyond a reasonable doubt that you're guilty of charge against you. Understand that by entering a plea of guilty, you give up all those rights. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
I may consider the Commonwealth's recommendation, but I'm in a planning range of central law. I don't have to accept the recommendation. Prior to accepting any recommendation, I will review a pre-sentence investigation report done by probation and parole. In the event that I do not accept the Commonwealth's recommendation and decide to impose a harsher sentence, you have the right to withdraw your plea, proceed to trial. You understand that? If you step to your left there, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Mr. Judd, what is the Commonwealth's recommendation?
Commonwealth agrees to dismiss menacing and terroristic threatening. Upon a plea of guilty to criminal mischief first degree, the defendant shall receive a sentence of 5 years probated for 5 years supervised. The defendant shall enter and complete a long-term treatment facility determined by a schedule through DPA and agreed upon by the Commonwealth attorney. The defendant should be transported to the facility by probation and parole. The bed date shall be scheduled after final sentencing. The defendant shall pay restitution in the amount of $613 at the Clinton Circuit Court office at a monthly fee of $50 each month, with the first payment being due 30 days after being released from the long-term treatment facility. Restitution is subject to a 5% clerk's fee. The defendant shall receive credit for time served. The defendant should do a minimum of 30 hours per week of community service until gainful employment is obtained. The defendant agrees to have any and all evidence in the above style case disposed of in a matter with the laws of the Commonwealth and the holding agency.
Is that what you agreed to, sir?
Yes, sir.
Are you pleading guilty because you committed the acts charged in the indictment as amended?
Yes, sir.
You're doing so of your own free will,
Yes, sir.
knowing constitutional rights and explaining still your desire to enter the plea of guilty and allow the court to fix your punishment within the range. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
You understand that if this plea, future convictions can be enhanced under persistent felony offender law because of this plea. Is that your signature on that?
Yes, sir.
I'll accept the agreement for now. Order pre-sentence investigation report to be done with probation parole scheduled for sentencing on January the 8th.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Mickey Shelton. Commonwealth versus Mickey Shelton, 24 CR 0085. Good morning, Mr. Shelton.
Morning.
You were born in 1970, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Last four digits, social security number 78,
No,
75, 83, excuse me.
yes, sir.
You're here on a pretrial conference. What's a Commonwealth is?
I've got some instructions from Mr. Stockton, they're a little confusing. He wants to either get trial date or set a negotiation date, so apparently they're fairly close, is that correct?
Judge, candidly, we have not had access to him at this point in time, just due to, where he was housed in state custody.
Where was he housed?
Eastern Kentucky Correctional Complex.
So that always complicates things.
It hadn't moved. It's been there for a long time.
No, that is true. That is true. Unfortunately, the rules about visitation have gotten stricter.
Is it your fault? No, no. Well, don't assume it. I was gonna say it wasn't your fault. You said it's his fault.
Okay, I know.
Well, it must be your fault.
It might be.
Yeah.
I mean,
So that's not acceptable, really.
Okay.
I mean, this guy's got a right to have access to a lawyer, okay? Now, so you want a negotiation, we'll do one more negotiation that, since you hadn't had access. But if they deny you access, you call my office.
I will, Judge.
Okay, and the Commonwealth won't be opposed to a little ex parte communication, and I'll call.
No, but
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, well, we'll have a negotiation day on January the 5th and the next court date on January the 8th. Y'all got papers with you? Let me sign. You fill that out. Bad, I'll sign for you.
What's he proposed? He said, he said, yeah.
Our house man, but they left my office man ago.
Well, she's not, because she's had surgery.
Have y'all showed a number I can get you out?
Yes, we do. I know we won't let it.
Okay, y'all have safe travel home.
Awesome. Just give me a second.
Commonwealth versus Robert Wright. Commonwealth versus Robert Wright. 20 CR 0070, 25 CR 0072. You are Robert Wright.
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Mom,
Born in 1981.
Yes, Your Honor.
Last four digits, social security number 6138.
36.
36, 6136, you're correct. Where's the Commonwealth, move you left just a little bit. What's the Commonwealth have to say?
now this is here today on motion to revoke.
We had a pre-trial conference on 25 CR 0072. Is that correct, counsel?
We need.
Yeah, that's correct,
we
yes.
need- Where my directions are that we need a trial date.
Do what?
We need a trial date.
Negotiation broken down?
If you all
We've
have-
had issues with negotiations. I would like to have one more negotiation day.
What is the charge? What, you can tell me also, you're more familiar with it. The one that we're trying. Could y'all pull a file up, see what the main
It's a
charge is?
possession case, constructive possession, Your Honor. He was in.
I don't want any details. It's a possession case, and what's the one he's been wanting to revoke him on? Is it a possession? What y'all offering?
He was offered a probated sentence and then he would need to go to rehab in lieu of revocation.
You can't even make it up as my sentence was almost over here.
He was very close to being finished with his probation period.
Well, he's gonna get another probation period and then he'd still be out on the street, you know.
But that. I would.
I don't want you to, you talk to your lawyer. I don't want you to
I would-
make any kind of mission here.
I would rethink that.
I would rethink if I had a lockdown probation thing, I'd rethink it. So but you can do what you want to. I'll let you have another negotiation. Because Mr. Stockton is not here today.
Let's go ahead and get another negotiation.
You know, it's on January the 5th and your next court date's on January the 8th. You know, here's the thing about it though. If, we're not gonna do that. If you had entered a plea today and they did a pre-sentence investigation report, you'd be getting out on January the eighth instead of coming back for another day.
He would be going to the long-term.
Well, that's getting out of jail, you know. Okay, we'll see you next month.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Billy Davis Jr. Commonwealth versus Billy Davis Jr. 25 CR 0071. Are you Billy Davis Jr.?
Yes, sir.
Good morning. You born in 1970?
Yes, sir.
Last four digits, social security number 1524.
Yes, sir.
This is 25 CR 0071. I understand that you wish to enter a plea today. Is that
Yeah.
correct? It's going to be a felony.
It is a felony plea.
Motion's been tendered, says you wish to enter a plea of guilty today. Are you currently on, under the influence of drugs or alcohol?
No, sir.
Is this free and voluntarily given?
Yes, sir.
Are you the same person that we just identified in 25 CR 0071?
Yes, sir.
Is your judgment impaired today?
No.
If you discuss this matter with your attorney, are you satisfied with his advice?
Yes, sir.
You view the evidence the Commonwealth has against you, feel like you're fully informed about your case.
Yes, sir.
I understand that you want to, I want you to understand that you do not have to enter a guilty plea today. You have certain rights of the Kentucky and United States Constitution. I'm gonna go over those rights with you. At the end, you can see if you agree with them, okay? You have a right not to testify against yourself. No one can make you say anything. Right to speak trial, but jury right to be represented in counsel's jury trial. Right to confront and cross-examine all witnesses called to testify against you and have process issue, compel their attendance. You have a right to produce evidence, right to call witnesses in your favor, right to appeal this matter to higher court if you lose, right to private Commonwealth to prove beyond a reasonable doubt that you are guilty of charges against you. You understand that by entering a plea today, you give up all those rights. You
Yes,
understand? Okay, I may consider Commonwealth's recommendation, but it may plain range since provided by law. I don't have to accept the recommendation prior to accepting any recommendation. I will await a pre-sentence investigation report to be done by probation and parole. In the event that I do not accept Commonwealth's recommendation, you decide to impose a hardship punishment,
Yes, sir.
then I will allow you to withdraw your plea and go to trial, okay?
Yes,
You
sir.
understand that? Step to the left a little bit, sir. Mr. Judge, what is the Commonwealth's recommendation?
Commonwealth agrees to dismiss no expiration registration plates and to dismiss possession of drug paraphernalia. Upon the plea of guilty to failure to maintain insurance, a motor vehicle as required by KRS 304, the defendant shall pay $500 fine and costs. Upon the plea of guilty to possession of controlled substance first degree methamphetamine, the defendant shall receive a sentence of 3 years probated for 5 years supervised. The defendant shall be referred to the social service clinician and follow any and all recommendations of the clinician. The defendant shall receive credit for time served and shall be released upon final sentencing. The defendant shall obtain gainful employment or do a minimum of 30 hours community service week until gainful employment is obtained. The defendant agrees to have any and all evidence in the above style case disposed of in a manner with the laws of the Commonwealth and the holding agents. And I speak with the defense counsel, he's supposed to be dismissed today.
He's supposed to be released today. Yeah, that's what.
Your Honor, there was agreement with Commonwealth that the defendant is supposed to be released today upon signature of this plea.
Yes.
I don't know. I have to do a pre-sentence investigation. Okay, is that the agreement? Come on, back over here. Is that the agreement as you understood it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, are you pleading guilty because you did commit the acts charged in the indictment?
Yes, sir.
As amended, you're doing so of your own free will. You know, your constitutional rights, I explained to you earlier, is still your desire to go ahead and let the court fix your punishment.
Yes, sir.
You understand that the guilty plea to the felony portions of this could be enhanced any penalties under future felonies. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
Is that your signature on there?
Yes, sir.
What's the total amount of fees? Okay, I'm gonna order a pre-sentence investigation report to be done on you. Come back here for sentencing on January the 8th. And since you're getting out today, I want you to start paying $50 a month toward the $650
Yes, sir.
every 30 days. You need to get a packet there so they can do the pre-sentence investigation for you.
Yes, sir.
So I'll go ahead and release you today, but now, sir, don't let me down.
I won't, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, you have anybody else in custody, Mr.